Alright, I got this volcano thing from National Geographic Earth Science Activity Kit. Let's erupt this volcano. Instructions say 1-to-1 ratio of these two eruption powders. Some there. Some of that. I could have. This is a mold that I put together. I guess I better just get to it, not waste time talking. Now, will it erupt? That's a little eruption. Oh yeah. Okay, hooray. Now, there's some other ways to erupt more bubbles if I add dish soap. And if I put in vinegar, also. So, let me try that next. Right, I'm going to make this volcano erupt more. You can see I made it erupt once. Put in more of this. And I guess I should use different utensils, but oh well. More of that. And this time, some dish soap. Several drops, it says. Well, that was several, alright. Let's go. Really? More bubbly? Yes. Okay. That is... Actually, not as good as the first time, maybe. Okay. Now, I'll try again with vinegar. Maybe I should clean this up first. I don't know. Well, yes, I should. Okay. Alright. I've made this volcano explode, erupt. Now I'm going to try for the biggest explosion with vinegar. Okay, add a tablespoon of baking soda, which should be this one. It says sodium bicarbonate. And please, I hope... I'm feeling lazy. I really don't want to clean it all up again. I mean, beforehand. So let's see. This. And then a cup of vinegar. Well, I'm just going to pour it in there. Okay, so baking soda. Go in there. And then vinegar. Activate. A cup, huh? We need a bigger volcano. This mold is too small. Yep, that's doing something nice. Alright. Alright, let's try some bubbles. And heck, dump some more in here. I'll just dump it in. I don't care. And more vinegar. Let's go. Yeah, now we're going. Well, yippee. That's kind of neat. I guess that's the story. Here, more. More. Giving it everything she's got. Okay. Hey. Erupting. Alright, I guess that's how it goes.